I came here through reference of Dr. Ladda, who is a dentist here in Indore and also a very close friend of mine. As far as the pain is concerned, really I did not feel much pain at all, as there was local anesthetic being applied during the whole procedure, and the staff constantly continued to ask me if there was any pain at all. So overall, the pain on a scale of 1 to 10, I would say was probably around 2 or 3 for most of the time. So I had no hesitation in going along under the knife, literally. The next day, when I reached, the staff was cordial, the whole process was smooth. Yeah, there is a little bit pain, but they take care of it through the local anesthesia. So overall, it's a great experience. I'll highly recommend Dr. Panchali for the hair transplant. Thank you.